Effective January 2025, income derived from pensions will be tax-free.
Tax-free pensions effective January 2026 were among the people-centric policy prescriptions outlined in Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre's 2025-2026 Appropriations Bill address, delivered Tuesday, April 22nd. During the nearly 3-hour presentation, Pierre outlined numerous development plans, economic stabilization strategies, and people-driven policies aimed at bettering the lives of Saint Lucians.
A one-off payment of $600 for pensioners will be paid in November 2025. Effective 1st July, the NIC will increase pension payments in line with the Consumer Price Index.
Additionally, police, fire, and correctional officers who have served for at least 20 years and reached the age of 55 will qualify for a National Insurance Corporation NIC pension. But it was not just pensioners on the mind of Prime Minister Pierre as he shifted the focus to the price of fuel.
Effective 1st May, next week, the price of fuel will be capped and shall not exceed $16 per gallon until 1st of July 2026.
Prime Minister Pierre then elaborated on new tax reforms set to provide major relief for workers earning below $40,000.
Effective 1st January 2025, the maximum allowable deductions for income tax purposes will move from $30,000 to $40,000. Within that cap, individual allowances will be the maximum child allowance, $5,000 per child under 18. Dependent relative allowance, $5,000. Mortgage will move to $40,000. University education to $10,000. Credit union shares and savings to $10,000. Investment instruments through local and regional institutions to $10,000. All within the cap of $40,000. Annual earnings of $25,000 or less will continue to attract no income tax. Medical expenses will remain uncapped.
The Prime Minister outlined the $2.057 billion budget, emphasizing that it reflects the Saint Lucia Labour Party (SLP)-led government's commitment to fast-tracking development and putting people first, with a focus on infrastructure, healthcare, safety, jobs, and education. Solange Alfred, HDS News Force.